Hello kids, today we learn about good habit. Wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Do exercise every day. Take a bath daily. Wash your hands after using toilet. Eat healthy foods. Avoid junk food. Be kind to pets. Help to elders. Always speak truth. Go to school happily. Do your homework every day. Keep gardening. Keep your surrounding clean. Put waste in dustbin. Spend time with family. Have a good sleep. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணி ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோஸ் பார்க்க நம்மளோட சேனலை மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.